Today we're out on another mission. So today our focus is going to be fishing. Yes, I am going to be taking my dive gear with me just in case I decide to hop into the water. So this is Easter weekend and hopefully it is a non-eventful weekend and I don't get called out for Coast Guard. So welcome back everybody and thank you for watching my channel and my videos. So as I was saying, today is going to be focusing on fishing, taking the dive gear just in case. Unfortunately my dive partner Fabian is away this weekend, so he's not available, so it's just Patrick and myself. Once again, Patrick, thank you very much for inviting me back again out on your boat for a day's fishing. See you out in the water. Okay, about to launch the boat down here at the ramp there. Once again, thank you Patrick. Taking this nice little foozer out.
And chocolate?
Nah, no. Right, we just marked the spot for that. We'll come and collect it on our way home. Okay, 3 fish and probably 2 minutes of fishing, so not too bad. Just going back to their actual spot, so perfect day. Yeah, that's an amazing day. No.
You can check if we got reception.
Yeah. Oh yeah, baby! That's how you do it. Oh, good. That one released itself. That's what I like.
So impressed.
Yeah, now I've got him.
Right, have a look.
He wants to go down.
Yeah. Right, let's try to save that.
Yeah. Awesome.
Obviously we can cut the hook, so that will be the easiest.
Yeah, but he's only just hooked on the thing there.
But of course we got these arms here, so
Yeah.
be careful with that.
Yeah. Because it's barbless, it should slide out. Beautiful.
Nice one. Well done.
That's awesome. Thank you.
Absolutely beautiful.
They are good looking, aren't they? They look cool.
Absolutely gorgeous.
And so streamlined. We decided to change locations. We were doing very well where we were initially, but then as you can see that the old spiny dogfish were turning up, so it was time to move on. Hey? Yeah, no, you can go back.
Smaller cod on the deepest spot. How
Yeah.
good is that?
Yeah. Anyway. Did you get him? Ah! Oh, good. Nah. Because I threw him a good distance. Oh, I think I've got a shark. Damn it. Where's these gropers? Didn't you say yesterday you guarantee a groper for me?
No,
You didn't? Are you sure?
we're trying for good.
I'm positive that was the promise. I'm sure you promised that to me. Yep.
Good one to touch you. No luck?
Yep, got one on. Two on. Oh, what's that?
Oh, it's a raz.
Bait?
Nah, we don't probably need it today. Oh look, yeah, there's too wee down there.
Eh?
They're too small down here.
Yep.
So,
Get this little fella off first.
well, I start cleaning up some fish and see how much they can then can make a hole.
Yeah. Oh, the rest got it in the eye.
Oh no. Oh well, bait. Fish bait then.
Do you want to?
Sorry, well no, sorry, it's for birds can eat, I guess. Poor fella. Look at that. Nice.
The old ice is holding out good.
Oh yeah. Well, if we were okay for real, we would be on the side.
So, shortly, do you want to look at doing something different?
I would say.
Yep.
I would say. Let's go for it. That's the beauty with this adventure.
So this one's got weight, whatever it is.
The last one has good weight as well.
Ooh.
This one is good.
So we're doing the right thing by picking up this mussel float. We don't want this floating around the Fovo Strait, so picking it up and taking it home. And some of them falling out.
You kidding?
Yep.
Oh my god.
Well, you got oyster shells, so it dredged. It'd be nice if it. Oh, see, you got a oyster, but it's too small. Oh, there's another one.
I'll bring it over here.
After 3 dredges, it was time for us to head home. We got a total of 3 oysters, but unfortunately, Patrick cut his finger quite seriously.